Hi everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. So in this video, we will learn that how we can add custom CSS on our website when we are using SkyPilot theme. So let's get started. So first, I will visit my WordPress dashboard. And then you can see it's my WordPress dashboard. And now I will visit Appearance, and then we have to click on this editor option. Here we'll be able to modify the SkyPilot theme. So here you can see we have a couple of options like navigation, styles, templates, but you can choose any of them, but I will choose the styles option here. And now we have to click on this three dot option. It's if I hover on this, you can see it's a more option. If I click on this, now we are able to see the additional CSS. We have to click on this, and here we can paste our or write our custom CSS code. So we have to follow the same process when we want to add custom CSS. So I will add some random CSS code and I will click on save. So if you want to add custom CSS on your website, you have to follow the same process. You have to add all of the CSS code on this box. I hope this video will help you. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.